This video is about how to use Google Drive. Sign in to your AUC email. On the upper right hand side, go to the Google Apps icon. Click on it. You will find Google Drive. First of all, think of Google Drive as an external hard drive you carry with you anywhere, and you can access it anytime using your AUC email or Google Drive app. Normally, in your external hard drive, you can add files and folders and create files and folders. Also, in Google Drive app, you can add files and folders and create files and folders. Also, you can share these files and folders with other people and get shareable links for files and folders from other people. To start working on Google Drive, go to the menu on the left hand side and start with New. Click on New. Now you can create folder. Click on Folder. A text box will appear in the middle of the window, giving you the opportunity to name your folder. Click Create. The folder you create will appear here with other Google Drive folders you created before. Double click on your folder. Now you are ready to start uploading files and folders to this folder. You can upload a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, Excel sheet, audio file, video file, and PDF file. To start uploading files to your Google Drive folder, go to New, File Upload. It will take you directly to the folders of your laptop or computer. Choose the location of the file you want to upload to Google Drive. Click on the file and then click Open. A small window will appear on the lower right hand side of the window, giving you the name of the file you are uploading and telling you when the upload complete. You can upload a single file to your Google Drive folder, or you can upload multiple files to your Google Drive folder. To upload multiple files to your Google Drive folder, go to New, File Upload. Choose the location of the files you need to upload to your Google Drive folder and click on Control button on the keyboard and keep clicking on it till you select the all files you need to upload to your Google Drive folder, and then click Open. The same window will appear here on the lower right hand side, giving you the status of the uploading process for each file. While the uploading process complete, you can just go and continue your work on your computer, going back to your email, opening YouTube, or just working on a document on your laptop and just checking on the uploading process from time to time. After uploading all the files, it will give you here the exact number of the files you already uploaded to your Google Drive folder and tell you that the upload complete. Go to New again and go to Folder Upload. You can use this option if you have already a folder on your computer ready with all the files you need to upload to Google Drive and you want to upload the whole folder. Click on Folder Upload. Go to the folder you need to upload to your Google Drive folder and click Upload. Now, I uploaded a single file to my Google Drive folder. I uploaded multiple files to my Google Drive folder, and I uploaded a folder to my Google Drive folder. Go to New again. You will find Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, and other Google applications. If you create a document or a spreadsheet or a PowerPoint presentation using any of these apps, it will be saved directly to your Google Drive. Now, on the menu on the left-hand side, there is My Drive, which is the files and folders that I created or uploaded to my Google Drive and owned by me, and I can share these files and folders with other people. Also Shared Drive, which is another way of creating files and folders and sharing files and folders with other people, but with more high security level of sharing settings. Then Shared with Me, which is the files and folders that shared by other people with you. You are not the owner of these files and folders. How to know that? Just click on a folder or a file, and on the right hand side you will find all the details you need to know about this file or folder. This is a Google Drive folder. The owner is someone else. The last modification date, the last open date, and the date of the creation of the folder. You can add a description here for your folder if you need to write something about this folder or the files inside this folder. The same goes with a single file. The type is Google Docs. The owner is someone else. The last modification date, the last open date, and the date of creation. Recent, it will show you the last files you worked on your Google Drive folder. Stored is a way to give a certain characteristic or important to a file or a folder. Trash, where all the files or folders you deleted from your Google Drive will appear here. Now, storage. Any Gmail account has a limited capacity of space to be used by the owner of the account, while as an AUCN you have unlimited space on your Google Drive storage. Back again to My Drive. Now we will talk about the view of your files and folders in the Google Drive window. You can show your files as a list view or a grid view. We noticed that when we change the view of the folders to list view or grid view, this upper part had nothing to be changed, because this is the quick access part, which shows the latest files you worked on in your Google Drive. After creating your Google Drive folder and uploading files to this folder, also uploading a folder from your computer to this Google Drive folder, you need to know how to share this folder or a file inside the folder with other people. To share a folder in Google Drive, go to the folder, right-click on the folder and click Share. Type the email of the person you need to share your Google Drive with. If you need this person to only be a viewer for the files inside this folder, choose Viewer. But if you need this recipient or person to organize, add, or edit files inside this folder, choose Editor. Be sure that the Notify People button is marked on. In this case, an automatic email will be sent to the recipient telling them that you shared a Google Drive or a file from your drive with them. You can also type a message to describe your Google Drive folder or file or what you need them to do in this file or folder. After that, click Send. Now I will find that the icon of the folder changed to have this image of a person inside it. That means that this folder is shared with someone. You can edit the sharing option anytime by right-click on the folder, go to Share again, and you can change this person to be a viewer, or you can remove it from the sharing of the folder. Remove, click Save. Now the sign of the person disappeared from the folder icon. The same if I need to share a file. Right-click on the file, click Share, type the email of the person you need to share the file with, choose to be a viewer or editor, and there is another button which is commenter. If you choose this one, it means that the person you are going to share the file with can add comments on your file. Type your message and click Send.